Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 120. And today's topic is what is a workflow diagram in ALN Studio. So, in ALN Studio, a workflow generator helps you to create diagrams that represent step-by-step process or flows within a system. You can visualize how tasks move from one step to another, including decisions, actions, input, and other outputs. When you start creating a workflow diagram, you can represent elements like start and end points, process decision nodes, and flow directions. So this make it easier to understand, design, and explain how a process works from beginning to the end. So basically, a workflow diagram generator in ALN Studio helps you to create clear and structured visual representation of workflows and process. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.